washing dishes. Got a little table there, a little expandable tray. You know, little dish rack. Bowl full of soapy water. A bowl to put them in. It is quite breezy out here. I mean, like I said, 25 to 35 mile an hour sustained wind and 50 mile an hour gusts. So we got our knives, forks, spoons, and all the other accessories done. Working on some bowls and cups. I got some plates to go through. Got the pans. Got these two big, containers. These two big bowls. I got a couple of cups, some lids in there to go through. A pot. Dump the water in there. Put your soap in. Scrub dub dub. Take a gallon water. Just put a couple of slits in the top, because you're not trying to get these 100% totally free of water, soap. You're going to get a 99% done. Then I'm going to take it in. I'm going to take some baby wipes, wipe everything down, and then with a paper towel, wipe or a dish towel, kind of like this one here, and then wipe everything down again. Then they're going to be nice and clean. Normally, I would take these in to the shower with me and wash them in with the shower when I do my shower, because I got no free water in the world to do it with. Just it's uncomfortable in there. I mean, imagine just having that on the floor, having to bend down and lean over, pick things up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build me a little plastic riser for this table here to lift it up higher. To clean my Instapot inside and out, clean my panini grill. Nice and sunny out here today. You can see very few clouds over by the mountains. I mean, that's where the wind's coming from, right over there. So we were not it comes out of the mountains, gets hot, comes down, kind of like the Santa Ana winds in California. Same kind of effect going on right here. It gets hot, bam, comes out of the mountains, rushes across the thing here. See, we're in the truck stop. Just put my stuff right there. When I got this thing full, I got a towel sitting on a tray in here. I'm just going to dump everything right on this towel. I mean, just to make it easy for myself. Get that out the way. Put that back here. Nice clean towel. Throw all the dishes on, and all I got to do is pick this up, take it into the, take it back to the bunk, and we will have our dishes clean. Now, so I'm out here, I got my SPF 70 on, shorts. Yeah, a little bit dirty, but I'll go take another shower, no problem. I'm not worried about it getting on that table with that fabric on there, because it's going to dry fairly quickly. Like I said, just all that stuff is clean. Just like that, I'm just going to wipe it down. Doing the dishes in there, just got to rinse them off. Then scrub these that are soaking in the water. Then I'm going to get this pot, these lids, get those done. Get these containers here done. Then the plates. Then these three pans right here. And all my dishes will be clean. All I gotta do is figure out, where I'm gonna put them, how I'm gonna put them, and then we will go from there. I mean, this is a pretty decent size. It's your typical 86-inch sleeper. All right, 78 to 86 inches, I forget which. It's designed poorly. It's got the space, it's just designed very poorly for the use of that space. It's not made for a long-term OTR like I am. I mean, I'm in this truck, 99% of the time. So, but we're gonna get these clean, get it put away, and we're good to go. And there's a nice looking Kenworth right there. He's a bull hauler. He's got some cattle on there right now. Alrighty, so here's my dishes that are inside. they're about 95%, 99% clean. Like I said, I'm just gonna take some your standard, quick wipe down, disinfectant, Lysol wipes, wipe everything down, take a dish towel, kind of like this, except clean. One that's damp, one that's dry, wipe everything down again, then put it away. Good to go. So, you see, this has been all I've used so far to rinse the dishes. Just to rinse. So, I got these 5-6 pieces in here. This container, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flat things there, plates, a trivet, and some pans. I gotta wipe the exterior of this down with the Lysol wipes. Wipe this down with Lysol wipes. Interior and exterior, wipe down with Lysol wipes there, and then wipe this down or scrub this out, with the water and rinse that, and we're done. It's not that hard of a thing to do to have a real kitchen in your truck. A little bit of knowledge, a little bit of willpower, and you can have better food on the road exactly what you want, and you save money doing it. So like I said, I just got to do a better job personally of when I cook, to clean it instantly. Don't wait, just wash it right there. But nobody is affected by it if I don't do it right away, so just me being sloppy. Other than that, not a problem. I don't know why I have those in my hand. So we're gonna get the rest of this stuff done, then we will we'll get back in the truck, and we will like I said, wipe everything down and put everything away.